The fight for air dominance is changing, with evolving technologies in aerospace sector coupled with artificial intelligence. The next generation or fifth plus generation fighters are supercomputers with faster data link communication and advanced electronics and avionics. One more technology which has recently picked up attention of many countries is unmanned wingman concept, along with other unmanned platforms that can work as a team with a mothership which would be manned. HAL unveiled this concept in the Aero India 2021. Hello, and welcome back to your own channel, Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest developments happening in the defense sector. In today's video, we are going to talk about in detail about the HAL's manned-unmanned teaming concept known as CATS or Combined Air Teaming System, and the updates related to it. First, let's look into the recent update on HAL CATS program. As per the HAL test pilot group Captain H.V. Thacker, Brett, the work on CATS program was started back in 2018. The update is that preliminary design work for CATS has been completed and the Tejas twin-seat trainer is being optimized as part of a manned-unmanned teaming concept. As part of CATS, future variants of the Tejas Mk1A will act as a mothership for air teaming exploitation, or MAX, and will be modified with additional command and control interfaces for this purpose. The heavily upgraded EAF Jaguar fighter bomber, called the Jaguar Max, fighters and can also undertake the mission together with CATS platform. The pilot on board can assign specific tasks to each of these unmanned drones which fly alongside the fighter. These UCAFs can protect the mothership from enemy attack and can also engage into attack missions. The Indian Air Force and Navy have also backed the effort for Designated Combat Air Teaming System, CATS. Scale models of CATS are expected to begin testing in the near future. Since the Tejas lacks an operational data link, HAL is looking to integrate an indigenous data link that is being tested on the Hawkeye, a locally modified version of the base system's Hawk 132. Now, let's look in detail of each components of CATS system. HAL has showcased its 4 different drones under CATS lineup in Aero India 2021. They are the Hunter, an air-launched wingman, the Alpha, an air-launched swarms drone, their Warrior, the loyal wingman, an Infinity pseudo-satellite. This all-4 system is part combat air teaming and will fly side by side with a combat aircraft. We will be discussing in details about these systems and their capabilities. CATS Warrior Wingman Drone. The CATS Warrior is a low observable unmanned wingman, which is controlled from CATS Max. A full-size CATS Warrior mock-up was displayed at the Aero India Show 2021 in Bengaluru. CATS Warrior will follow a semi-stealthy design and will have very low RCS, because of which it will be difficult for enemy defense system to detect it. The early variant of UAV will be powered by 2 PTA-7E engines. PTA-7E is capable of generating thrust of around 4 kilonewtons. The maximum takeoff weight is 1,300 kg and it can carry a payload of about 250 kg internally and 250 kg on the external pylons. It can cruise at a speed of Mach 0.7 to 0.8 with a range over 800 km and endurance of 80 minutes. The Warrior drone will have an internal bay where it can carry 2 SAAW smart anti-airfield weapons for ground attack. It will also carry new generation close combat missile NGCCM for air-to-air engagement and in self-protection role. The missile is under development by MBDA BEL. The cost of each unmanned wingman is projected to be just $5 million. The first flight of Warrior drones is expected by 2022 and induction by 2029. CATS Hunter. As you can see in the image, there are 2 variants of Hunter attached with the LCA pylons. The first one with transparent fuselage is equipped with ASA, active electronically scanned array, radar. The second Hunter drone is carrying an optical sensor, infrared search and track, in its nose. Both of these platforms will be used to provide additional intelligence to combat aircraft, and if required it can also act as a cruise missile. CATS Hunter will be integrated with advanced navigation technology and will perform roles similar to Scalp missiles in Rafale fighters. The missile is going to have range of 200 plus kilometers, weight of 600 plus kgs, and can carry warhead of 250 kgs. The Hunter missiles are expected to be more stealthier in design than BrahMos missiles. It will be integrated with the existing fighters such as LCA Tejas, Mirage 2000 and Su-30 Mki. It can be further extended to upcoming fighters like Tejas Mk2, TEDF and AMCA. Alpha-S Swarm Drones. Alpha-S Swarm Drones is going to be the most unique feature of CATS program. CATS Alpha, air-launched flexible assets, which can be launched from CATS Max, will work as a swarm of weaponized drones. The mothership will carry a carrier pod, and each pod can carry 4 drones with it. LCA Tejas and Su-30 Mki can carry 3 pods, 12 drones, and 4 pods, 16 drones, respectively. Once the mothership release the carrier pod, it can itself fly for 100 kilometers. The carrier can then release swarm of 4 drones, each of which can perform air-to-ground to air-to-air combat mission. The swarm drones can further protect the formation from attack of enemy air defenses. India is going to be the first country to develop such futuristic technology. Infinity pseudo-satellite. Infinity is an ultra-high-altitude solar-powered pseudo-satellite, capable of remaining in air for over 90 days and cruise at an altitude of more than 65,000 feet to monitor enemy targets. It is designed to be in the class of the Zephyr Solar Electric Stratospheric Unmanned Aerial System. Infinity can also relay live video to the ground station during operations. The Infinity drone will have an array of solar cells to power it. The secondary batteries will get charged in daylight to power overnight flights. The new drone will be equipped with a synthetic aperture radar for monitoring activity deep inside enemy territory. Using its advanced sensors, the drone will be able to coordinate with other Indian drone systems such as Warrior Loyal Wingman drone, Alpha-S Swarm drones and Hunter missile. It can also facilitate 4G and 5G communication in remote areas. This was today's update. Please let us know your views and opinions regarding the same. Feel free to post any topic on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye. We will be soon back with more development happening in the defense sector.